cupboard for more. Went to the cupboard for the coat, to the cupboards above, to the cupboards above. But when she got there, the cupboard was bare, and so the poor dog had none. She went to the baker to buy him some bread, but when she came back, the poor dog was dead. She went to the grocer to buy him some fruit, but when she came back, he was playing the flute. Grocer to buy him some fruit, but when she came back,